Welcome to Kanha Commerce. In this video, I have planned to discuss different types of aspects of cost accounting, basically the difference between financial accounting and cost accounting, functions of cost accounting, and introduction part of cost sheet. Today, a detailed discussion is expected to come in this class because in your upcoming CHSE examination, major long type questions are not expected. Rather, multiple choice or MCQs are expected in very heavy marks. And expectation is long type is maximum 5 marks, and the expected question may arise to 3 questions. So I have planned that a very short type of questions may be expected in your examination. So one question is difference between cost accounting and financial accounting. So the questions are difference between cost accounting and financial accounting, and the answer are, first point is nature. The financial accounting's nature is to deal with the financial position or financial aspects of the organization. But the nature of cost accounting is to deal with the cost of production of a particular product, so that cost can be ascertained and expenditure can be controlled. Next point, purpose. In this topic, the basic fundamental of financial accounting or the basic purpose of financial accounting is to know the position of profits and loss and position of assets and liability. But whereas in case of cost accounting, the study and a determination of cost structure, cost ascertainment is to be found out, so that the basic of cost accounting can be understood properly. The next point is period. In financial accounting, one financial year is related from 1st April to 31st March of next succeeding year. But in cost accounting, no such financial year or no such accounting year is expected to come, because whenever there will be production, this time or this period will be counted, otherwise that period will be baseless. Next point is accounting rules. In financial accounting, the golden rule of accounting is followed, but in case of cost accounting, no such golden rule is expected to come, because cost accounting is not dealt with any type of golden rule. Next point is accountant. In financial accounting, the financial accountant may be a commerce graduate or maybe any graduate bearing tally knowledge or ERP knowledge may perform accounting works. But in cost accounting, no such commerce graduate will perform the cost accounting work, because cost accounting works can be performed by a cost and management accountant or be a chartered accountant. Okay. The next point is, or next question is, functions of cost accounting. In this function, we have to ascertain different type of cost structure, so that you will be betterly clarified. Okay. The first function is cost ascertainment. The basics of cost accounting function is to find out different cost of production, so that different expenses which are incurred for material, labor, overhead are understood. So the proper cost ascertainment can be made with the variety of different type of material, labor and overhead cost. Understood? Next point is cost control. The another point of functions of cost accounting is to control the cost, so that the unnecessary expenditure may be avoided, and then and the necessary expenditure may be performed or may be done in a systematic way, so that the unit cost may be reduced to a very extent. Ultimately, profit will be higher. Ultimately, sale position will be higher. Then that will be impact to profit portion. Okay. The third portion is cost analysis. In cost analysis, different type of cost are analyzed, such as direct cost, indirect cost, factory cost, fixed cost, variable cost, semi-variable cost, actual cost, standard cost. Different type of cost are analyzed, so that the pros and cons of cost structure is clarified, and it will benefit to higher production or a very low rate of cost unit. Okay. The fourth point is cost comparison. In this point, I have to ascertain the difference between present cost and past cost, so that the excess expenditure which are already incurred in the past cost are to be checked for purpose of present cost, so that the future cost will be very less, and it will direct impact to cost structure, and ultimately profit will be higher. Understood my point? Basic present cost is compared with past cost, so that the difficulty you have performed or the drawback you have performed in past cost is to be rectified in present cost. Ultimately profit will be higher. And the last point is fixation of price. The fixation of price means the fixation of selling price, so that the cost of production or the cost unit will be reduced, and the selling price will be fixed as per the requirement of the market and also the standardized unit cost, so that profit will be definitely higher. There will be no doubt about it. Okay, so these are the basic functions of cost accounting. And another point is cost sheet. So in cost sheet, one prime cost is understood or is to be determined, that is direct material, direct labor plus direct expenditure. It will be called as prime cost. Okay. So in cost sheet, this is cost sheet without stock. It is cost sheet without stock. Another cost sheet will be cost sheet with stock. But in this class, I have decided to cover cost sheet without stock. So first is direct material, add direct labor, add direct expenses, that will be prime cost, add factory overheads, any type of factory expenses, whether it may be factory lighting, whether it may be factory heating, whether it may be haulage, whether it may be power, any factory expenses will be merged in factory overheads. And after addition of a prime cost to factory overhead, factory cost, it will be called as works cost. Hello. Okay. The next, add administrative overheads, office and administrative overheads, such as office salary, office stationery, postage, director fee, audit fee. Different type of office and administrative overheads are to be merged in factory cost to get cost of production. And another one point is add selling, distribution, research overheads, such as salesman salary, delivery van charges, warehouse charges, research expenses. Any type of selling, distribution, research overheads are to be merged in cost of production to get cost of sales or total cost. Okay. And add profit equal to selling price. So that in this class I have covered कॉस्ट शीट विदाउट स्टॉक. फिर से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. डायरेक्ट मटेरियल, add direct labor, add direct expenses equal to prime cost, add factory overheads equal to factory cost or works cost, add administrative overheads equal to cost of production, add selling distribution research overheads equal to total cost or cost of sales, add profit equal to selling price, or less loss equal to selling price. So in this class I have covered all your basics, difference between cost accounting and financial accounting, functions of cost accounting, cost sheet without stock. In next class I will cover cost sheet with stock, because uh, cost sheet with stock question is not expected to come in your exam, because it will gather a very high marks, and you have expected to cover only 5 marks, 3 questions of 5 marks each. So that I have major decided to focus cost sheet without stock, because this question may very important for you for your examination. Okay, so please, if you are like my video, then please like my channel, uh, share to your friends who are very needy for this class, and also subscribe, and please don't forget to uh, press the bell icon, because when I will upload any video it will be notified to you. So best of luck for cost accounting topic, and after 2 to 3 classes I will cover extra topic such as accounting, mathematics, and business management, which are expected to come your CHS examination. Thanks for your watching.